Hello friends, in this video I will show how to create files in Google Drive. You can create Google Docs and it's just like Microsoft Word which you have used in Microsoft Office. You can type here, you can insert, you can edit, and you can do many things which you have already experienced in Microsoft Word. And you can create spreadsheets. It's just like Microsoft Excel which you have previously used. We can use many operations which are just like Microsoft Excel. You can create Google Slides here. It's just like Microsoft PowerPoint which you have experienced in the past. And there are some other types also. You can create Google Forms and create a new file in any type in Google Drive is very easy. I will tell you how. You have to click New. In this video I will create a Google Doc. It means it's just like Microsoft Word. I select Google Doc, and if you want to create a Google Sheet you have to click this one. Now I click Google Doc here. Our new file is opened in a new tab, and at first it's an untitled document. We can give a topic here. I give Google Doc or the file name. Enter here. You can see that when you refresh the home button, this is the file we have already opened. The name is updated here. You can see it gets only few seconds to update here. We rename the untitled document as Google Doc, and within few seconds it's here as Google Doc. Just Google document. So you can see that saving, and within few seconds now it's saved in Google Drive. All changes saved in to Drive. Okay, now I will close this one. We can open a file in this Google home page by double clicking on it, and you can see that the previously typed sentences are there. It means it's saved within few seconds in Google Drive. When we type or when we do anything, all our works are saved in Google Drive within few seconds. It's a very good advantage which you can get by using Google Drive. Now I will tell a Google tip here. You can go to the website which many templates are there. It's a Google website. This is the Google website which contains many templates which you can use with the Google Drive. For that you have to enter to the website drive.google.com/templates. This is the website, drive.google.com/templates. It will govern you to this template website. You can see many templates here. If you want to type a newsletter, you can use this template. Open here, we can customize any of these. Now you can customize and use it for your works. Okay, now you have basic ideas on Google Drive, and now you know how to open or create files inside the Google Drive, and you know how to use Google templates in your Google Drive works. For that I mentioned the website you have to use, drive.google.com/templates. By using this site you can take many templates. Let's meet in my next video, and I will teach you how to manage files which you have created inside your Google Drive in my next video. Thank you.